Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Mazda CX-5 spark plug's full guide. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable to prevent shocks, then remove the engine cover. Gather tools including a spark plug socket, ratchet, torque wrench, and a gap gauge. Work on one coil pack at a time to avoid mixing parts. Keep new plugs organized and check gaps before installation for consistent firing performance. Start by laying out tools and parts clearly on a clean bench. Confirm plug model and gap, then label coil packs so each goes back to its original cylinder. Prepare anti-seize for threads and dielectric grease for coil boots to ensure good connections. Set the torque wrench to the vehicle specification and practice on an old bolt if needed. Working methodically prevents cross-threading and ensures each plug seats properly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more car maintenance tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated while kneeling in the driveway with a leak-proof lid that beats a soggy shirt, a perfect companion for long wrenching sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals on gear. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the engine cool, unplug the coil connector and unbolt the coil, pulling it straight up. Use a spark plug socket and extension to break loose the old plug and extract it carefully. Inspect the old plug for deposits that indicate engine issues. Hand thread the new plug into the head to avoid cross-threading, then torque to the correct spec. Reinstall coil packs with dielectric grease, reconnect the battery, and start the engine to check operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.